Meron ka bang upcoming international flight? Kung oo, mahalaga na malaman mo to about the new updates sa e-travel system. Pero bago ang lahat, if mabubook ka ng hotels, activities, tours, or anything sa Klook app, don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPIKLOOK para magkaroon ka ng discount. Okay, game. Let's talk about the new updates sa e-travel. Una sa lahat, ano nga ba ang e-travel? Ang e-travel ay required sa lahat ng passengers, including Filipinos, na papasok or palabas ng Pilipinas. Pwede kang mag-register within 72 hours bago iyong arrival or departure sa Philippines. There are two ways para mag-fill out ng e-travel. First, you can go directly sa website na etravel.gov.ph or you can download ang eGovPH app sa phone mo. Now, after mo ma-fill out yung departure details mo like flight information, origin at destination, lalabas na yung bagong section, ang Philippine Travel Tax Declaration. Dito, may tatlong options kang pwedeng piliin. Let's go through them one by one. Option 1, I have paid the travel tax along with my ticket purchase. Choose this one if during the time na nag-book ka ng flight ticket ay kasabay mo nang binayaran ang travel tax. Option 2, I have a travel tax exemption certificate from TIEZA. Now, sino-sino nga ba ang exempted from paying the travel tax? According sa website ng TIEZA, the following Filipino citizens are exempted from paying the travel tax. Number 1 are the overseas Filipino workers or OFW. Number 2, Filipino permanent residents abroad whose stay in the Philippines is less than 1 year. And number 3, infants 2 years and below. Pero hindi lang yan. Marami pang qualifications for exemption. So, visit nyo ang TIEZA website to check if exempted din kayo. And last but not the least, ang option 3. I have paid travel tax directly to TIEZA. Choose this one naman kung magbabayad ka online via TIEZA or magbabayad ka mismo sa airport kung nasaan ang travel tax booth. So, question, okay lang ba if hindi pa ako nakakabayad ng travel tax during e-travel registration? The answer is yes, okay lang. Piliin mo pa rin yung third option. Pag-click mo nito, may lalabas na message na travel tax payment or exemption record not found. Don't panic, just click yes and then make sure na babayaran mo siya pagdating mo sa airport. So that's it. Hopefully nakatulong tong quick guide ko about the new updates sa e-travel, ang travel tax declaration part. Kung may questions ka, comment down below. And again, for your upcoming trip, book your hotels, activities, and tours sa Klook app. And don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPIKLOOK para magkaroon ka ng discounts. And ayun lang, see you on my next travel vlogs. Babush!